say yeah, big up to everybody. Jordu live. You know what I mean? T.M.O representing BEBBLE Team Grabba Smallz, Massyka. So the whole of the team, Koro, hear me? You hear me? Hold up more heights for the youth and inspiration and fight for the youth. Don't fight, don't fight for the youth and don't mind those fight for your youth. Just up to fight for your youth. Just bring food for the youth and think like more food for the youth and stop telling lies, stop them about the youth. Stop exploring, face off the youth, get all about, raise off the youth. See them look nice and don't come out the youth and bubble and stop shut off the youth. Mama, papa, one for the youth and that's how we have to start to have for the youth and people. No time to add to the youth and that's what we want to. West Africa, all for the youth and automatic shut down style for the youth and so takes out the stuff for our youth and single, one, talk with the youth and think about the embers of before the youth. Yeah. Yeah, you hear me I say, yeah, hear me sit up part, yeah. Alright, this one's for the youth. Now this talking down for the youth. This one's for the youth. Roll up more child, more heights, more youth. This one's for the youth. Roll up more child, more heights, more youth. This one's for the youth. A blast, make a blast. Roll up more heights for the youth. Inspiration and vibes for the youth. This challenge, down to the youth. If I can have to stay far from you. So that we spread up a power with the youth. And that most of all already. That one of them is alive for the youth. And tell them what, let us stay far from you. So like inside, all the youth. You don't know what it is. And that's what I feel. The time limit here, they don't know give thanks to everything. And again, I want to say good night. Big up on yourself. I'm T.M.O, the militant one. Next track, please. Yeah. Focus, nigga. You know what this is. We gonna touch a lot of places right now. I ain't talking on the body, talking in the streets. Yeah, from K-6 we get funny. It ain't funny. Turn that up. It ain't kill. We keep it real. We get dollars. We roll the highest. We keep. What you say? Big up to me, come here. Even though times so hard, man suffer in a road and I live like that. And I itch like things in a room, let him yard, let him down on him youth, and him know them a staff. But him can't be no better. Right now, no job. Poverty is not a joke, it's a problem to solve. So we stay with the truth, equal rights for all. But when times get rough, we gotta break the law. If you miss the wrong man, he might break your jaw. Then men lock the streets on his Thursday, y'all. But a mama lose the drink on the Thursday, y'all. That means, pull up that. Some praises to the Most High King Selassie first. I would say yeah. I don't know the time still, but I'm just going to jump the next tune and leave. And if y'all want more, it can be done. But in the meanwhile, K-6, we say, when we say K-6, matter Kingston 6, where I reside at the current time. Yes, born and raised Chilani, Spain Town. From K-6 to Spain Town, we get money. It ain't funny. From K-6 to, we keep the stay from K-6 to Corville. We ain't biased. We go the highest. Where got some of us? We go Jamaica, the yard. Even though times so hard, man suffer in a road and I live like dog. And I itch like ticks. I roll left him yard, left him dark on him you. And him know they must starve. But him can't do no better. Can't have no job. Poverty is not a joke. It's a problem to solve. So we stay with the truth. Equal rights for all. But when times get rough, gotta break the law. If you miss the wrong man, he might break your jaw. Then men up the streets when I tell the yard. And a baba roast me drink from a thirsty yard. But from the touch the road, I give this from it earlier. And the dance now stop till I early. Till Babylon decides to come the siren now. Anyway, they also a girl for God this song. All our absolute tight current sound, their sound. From K-6 to we're expressive. We drive heavy. They love the bomber still. They got the world up. We smoke and water. Tougher than Starlight. The fire can't hold. Make sure you have the herbs when you travel the island. Make sure you have your eyes up, ready for Babylon. Expect the unexpected, a quote from Iman. The girl that love the loving when they get from Iman. So then we go off, we sell it. We're rolling Iman, going straight to my bin. Rolling Iman, and things so expensive, I can't afford to die. Damn. Let's stay focused, I'm moving my pivot. And I ain't talking the chord. I hope you get it, ready to roll like dumplings. Yeah, you get it? We say here the rest of it. Ladies for niggas, not gonna freak on who is. No farmer, not gonna bleach on the face. No farmer, I'ma stay getting paid. Focus on digits. What you say, Grabba Smallz? love you. From K-6 to all over the earth to represent and give thanks from first. And yeah.